Amazon Prime Purchase Protection. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this update, I'll show how to set a password for new Prime Video purchases. Want to avoid accidental subscriptions? I'll show you how to set up a password. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more related content on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get started. I'm in the Amazon Prime app. Click on your profile picture up top. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top. Now click on Parental Controls, then Purchase Restrictions. It'll show as disabled. You'll want to enable purchase restrictions. Note, for Fire or Xbox devices, this is set up on the device itself. Questions? Comment below for a Fire TV stick or Xbox tutorial. Did you manage it? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.